Study on the application of modified conventional charge therapy for fistula and nano treatment, a technique for sphincter preservation. Now come to introduction. R.V.S. Sushrut 500 BC was the earliest to describe the illness fistula in nano, Vagandar, exhibiting comparable clinical characteristics. He also thoroughly explained regarding the classification of anal fistula based on two various clinical characteristics. Fistula accompanied by numerous opening and discharging in nature is classified as Stankonak and Parisravi Vagandar. Charge sutra therapy has become a prominent treatment option in the modern times, a widely recognized method for the handling of anal fistula and relies on concurrent incision and recovery of the tract. An anal fistula mainly results from an infection of intersphincteric hernial and dephosous gland in 90% of the instances, which present as entrance in the anorectal passes at one side and surface of the perineum at the opposite side. According to Park classification, anal fistula can be situated in intersphincteric, transsphincteric, suprasphincteric and extrasphincteric glands. Case study: a 37-year-old male patient arrived with concern regarding swelling around the perineal area and occasional pus release from swelling for 1 year. Two external openings located in the perineal area at 10 and 11 o'clock position 4 cm from the anal wall, and a sentinel marker at the 6 o'clock position. On examination, a thick cord-like structure is detected from the anal canal at 11 o'clock to outer opening with two parts at the 10 and 11 o'clock location of around 4 cm long. Digital rectal checkup exposed internal orifice at the 11 o'clock location. ये जब पेशेंट आया था कंप्लेन लेके तब का ये पिक है. जब सेकेंड में उसका प्रोबिंग किया गया और एग्जामिनेशन किया गया तब का ये पिक्चर है. अपार मार्क चार्ट सूत्र प्रिपेयर किया गया था हमारे कॉलेज में, उसकी ये पिक्चर है. प्रोसीजर करते समय कई परफॉर्मिंग प्रोसीजर का ये पिक्चर है. Schedule. Under local anesthesia, the prevention of the fistulous tract was created 2 cm from the anal bulge, and so an artificial window was established at 11 o'clock placement. Next, normal saline was administered from the external opening and it emerged from the intercepted region to verify the precision of interception. This was succeeded by cleaning of the external opening of the tubular passage. Upper mark chart sutra was implanted via the intercepted region and internal opening. Sentinel marker at 6 o'clock position was removed. Antiseptic packing and dressing were performed using Jatyari tel. The patient was recommended for consistent hot sheet bath for the following day and dressing with Jatyari tel. The patient was prescribed with Tripla-Gogulu 1 g TDS after food, tablet Septilin 1 g TDS after food, Triplachun 5 g HS after food, and Jatyari tel for local application. Sufficient drainage from the